Well, thanks for staying with us. And Lynn, I'm real excited. We're going to get to do another segment about one of our career and technical education programs that really involves a number of pathways, different career pathways. And the program I'm speaking of, and we're so grateful that you guys are here to help everyone know more about our engineering, design, and really pre-engineering pathway. So our amazing engineering teacher at the Career and Technical Education Center is Lloyd Callahan. Lloyd, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thanks for coming back for another shot at this.
Absolutely.
And Lloyd, thanks for bringing with you first Will Loften. Will, you are a sophomore at Kingwood High School.
Yes, I am.
Involved in the engineering program. And Kevin Patel. Kevin, you are a junior at Humble High School.
Yes, sir.
All right, and we're going to get to you guys in just a second because I want you to explain that T-shirt to us and what it represents. But first, Mr. Callahan, tell us a little bit about engineering and what all are the sequence of courses that folks like Will and Kevin can take advantage of.
Well, we try to get everybody to start off with the engineering design coursework, and that's just like whenever we were in school, we called it drafting. But now we teach a little bit more about Auto CAD and principles of design and the design process, and after that we have the concepts of engineering and technology course, which we go into explaining all different kinds of engineering, anything from architectural to civil to everything in between. And after that we have a robotics and automation course that we teach as well, that kind of is the summation of those two courses put together, where we actually get to learn and do hands-on building robots in class.
Mm-hmm. And that's coming up, I assume. Will, are you involved in that program yet, or because you're a sophomore, right?
I'm not, but I would definitely consider it. So
because
I love to do work with my hands, learn about engineering, and it sets you up for the future. So
right, gives you opportunities. And are you involved in the Aquabots or the robotics program?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
Well, I'm in the classes, and then I'm also with the robot club, and I also help out build the robots and all that.
But there's a big competition that's coming up, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to tell
Yes,
us
ma'am.
about that?
We're actually First Robotics. It's a nationwide. It's a huge competition. There's going to be 57 teams there.
Wow.
We're hoping to take home First Place Alliance this year. These guys competed last year in 2012 for the Rebound Remix with the College Park High School Alliance, and these guys actually took home Second Place Alliance for the competition. So we're hoping we can build on that for this year and keep going.
And you're using robots underwater to accomplish tasks, correct?
Well, the FRC competition is actually using a land-based robot, but in the class itself, we do have ROVs. So, we have a lot of different competitions going on, lots of different robots we're building.
Busy little robots.
Oh, absolutely. So, Kevin, you mentioned the club, and Will, is that the, and I'm going to mispronounce it, Adamus bots? Is that?
Adamus bots.
Adamus bots. So what does Adamus bots mean?
It's like Greek for unconquerable.
Is that right?
Undefeatable, yeah.
How appropriate. That is awesome.
So why are they unconquerable?
I don't know, someone just looked up the name. When they're coming up with names for our team, they came up with this name, they searched it, and that was their name. So we voted on it and stuck with it.
Well, it is kind of a tough-sounding name. That's a good idea. Speaking of tough-sounding, are there any girls in this club?
Absolutely.
Good.
Absolutely.
So you've got more girls involved in the engineering program?
Yes, last year we had one, and this year we've actually got, I'd say, 3 or 4 this year. So it's getting there. We're raising awareness, and they're starting to take more interest.
Good.
Now, Kevin, as a junior, so you've been involved with the program?
Well, this is my first year.
Oh, it is your first year. Okay. So, and I really want your experience, but from my perspective, it's not an easy program. It's pretty tough work.
Yeah, it is. But after a while, you start getting into it, and you start getting used to it, so it becomes easier.
Okay. And is this, Kevin, maybe a career that you think you may want to pursue?
Yeah, I kind of want to major in engineering.
Oh, awesome. Very good. Well, how about you? I mean, you've got time. You're a sophomore.
It hasn't been something that has been on my mind lately, but I definitely would want to consider engineering as a major.
Well, that's
Why
great.
did you get involved in the program at the Cates Center to begin with?
The CAD Center with first. I got involved because in middle school I did the FLL, which is First Lego League, or part of the first organization, and so that really inspired me to get into the higher levels. And so I did 2 years of FLL, and then I jumped into FRC this year.
That's awesome.
So you're a technical kind of guy. You like building things.
Yes.
That's great.
Not just technical though. He's also the vice president of our club.
Oh, wow.
I mean, he's got those leadership skills he's building as well.
That's awesome. How many are in the club?
It varies day to day. You know, everybody's got different schedules, but you know, on a typical day we have around 15 to 20 that show up.
Wow.
That is great.
That is great.
And like, share with us, you're relatively new to the program and new to the family, but in that short period of time that you've thankfully been with us, I mean, the programs really have been growing.
Absolutely.
And your prognosis for continued growth?
Oh, it's you know, it's kind of a newer idea for some of these things for a lot of people. You know, they didn't know it existed, but we've been going out to middle schools and to other campuses, you know, advertising this, and having these guys winning competitions is just adding fuel to the fire for us. But yeah, it definitely has grown since I came on in January of last year, and you know, now I've got full classes. We're having to try to book me more and more every year, every semester.
That is great news.
Well,
Great
it's a
news.
growing field too for students who are looking for a career path, right?
Absolutely, and we're in one of the greatest cities in the world for engineering. I mean, we're the oil and gas capital. Why not be an engineer?
Absolutely, lots of demand. Lots of demand.
Wow.
Which is a good thing because that translates into jobs and money.
That's right.
So not a bad deal. Well, they're waving us that we're running out of time. Just want to thank you guys, Will, Kevin, a lot for being a part of this program, and more importantly, getting involved with the competitions and so forth. The bar is set high, second place last year, so only one place left to do. That's first place this year, so good luck with that. We know you can do it, and Lloyd, thank you. We are very blessed to have you.
Thanks for having us.
And the family, no, our pleasure. It's our kids that really benefit from having you, and we appreciate you a lot. Stay with us. Lynn and I are going to be right back.